Okay guys, in this video we're gonna add new widget and it's the image carousel. So we're gonna add this one to add our feature section or our partner section or whatever your main purpose for that section. So we're gonna add new section in here and we can use that section for just our title. So we're gonna add first a heading in here. And then let's add a divider or a spacer. Those are mainly to add some space between our elements, and we can keep that one as a space. It's not gonna appear, and you can style it from here. Now it's not visible. You can give it some color from here. You can increase its weight like that, and you can customize its width from here, or if it's on the right we can customize it like that. Maybe a design trend, maybe you can work your design like that, or even you can get it in the center and start making it like that and as ornament for your design if you would like. I don't really like this one, so I'm gonna keep it as it is, white. It's not gonna be visible for anyone, and make it to 1. And then we can add, and also the same goes for the spacer, it's adding space. So you want to increase the height of that section, you can add either a spacer or even divider, okay? And you can control its width from here, okay? And of course you can control that also from the sections layout from here. We can make it the height. We can make it like fit to screen, minimum height, or the default. So let's delete that recent spacer because we don't need it. We're gonna work with the divider because like we need minimum amount of space. And then we're gonna add a new section and we're gonna put our slider in here. Okay, so let's go and drag our first, choose our structure, and then we're gonna choose our widget in here. Okay, so let's start designing this section, choosing our elements. We can say our partners, for example. You can say it's our customers, our partners, whatever you would like to call that section for, but it's trendy these days. People start to feature other companies and other maybe clients or whatever to show some social proof in their websites. Okay, and let's go style it, make it color from here, and then we want to center that. Of course we can do something quite different, is like duplicate any heading of those and start working with them. But in this one I wanna show you some different style. We can activate our typography. We're gonna work with sans serifs. If you start typing sans in here, you're gonna see many sans serif fonts, okay? They're not gonna look different. So let's try, for example, Duro Sans. This one is quite nice, okay? And we have the Open Sans, and we have our Source Sans Pro. Most of them look similar to each others, but I wanted to show you different sans serif fonts for experimenting with them. Though I really recommend to be consistent with your font the entire design, maybe with a different font for a heading or something special. Let's increase its size a little bit and increase our line height. And this one more way to increase our spacing for the section's height. So we have many ways and multiple ways to do that from our page builder. I can go make that all uppercase to be matching our headlines. We're working with uppercase most of the website for the headlines, so let's stay consistent with that as it's our visual identity for our website. And then let's go choose our slider and add images to our slider, okay, from here. And you can add any kind of images you would like, and if you want to use PNGs without backgrounds, it will be amazing. And even if you want to use regular pictures, it's gonna be nice. I'm gonna use these logos for the tutorial purpose, though they came already with the Elementor template. It's not mine, so hopefully it's not something wrong. I don't know even if they are real logos or not, but they look nice. I'm gonna add all of them, and you can see we can add multiple images to our slider, okay? And I think all of them are PNGs and they don't have a background, So let's create new gallery, and you can start ordering them from here, and you can add captions to the image. And let's type in here some captions for these logos, maybe our tech suppliers, and maybe advertisers, and we can call this one research partners, and etc. Okay, so we're gonna insert into our gallery. We're gonna see our images in here, and they are starting to appear in our slider section, and then we can start customizing them the way we would like. From here, image size, we have the image size, we can make it smaller or full or whatever. Let's try maybe medium large or medium. Let's try the medium, for example. Slides to show, we have the default, we can make that showing maybe 5 of them at once. Maybe that's too much. I recommend the maximum number to be 4. Then we have the slides to scroll. From here we can make it 4. There will be 4 sliding at once, so all 4 of them did change. Okay, and you can choose to make it 2. I will keep that one at 4, so we seeing different logos at once. So, and we have the image stretch, we can stretch those images to fill between them like that. It doesn't look that good actually, so I'm gonna make it on no again. And we have navigation, either to make it dots like it is now, or arrows. I think arrows would be better. I can make it none actually, so it will be automatically sliding and you don't have any control over that part. Now those arrows are in white, so you're not able to see them, but we can slide from here. And we can even link them to a media file or custom URL if you would like to. And then we have our captions like that. Remember when we were filling our captions, they will be appearing like that, or title, the name of our images, or even description. And this also in our media library. Okay, leave it as none. And then we have additional options. In here we can pause on hover, and we have the autoplay in here. Highly recommend to leave it as yes. And we have the autoplay speed, we can make that those are 5 seconds, because like this 5,000 milliseconds, and we can make them 4,000, and they're gonna be faster. So the lower that number, the faster it will be. Okay, and we have infinite loop, yes, and we have animation speed. You can control the animation speed of your image from here. You can choose to make it maybe 1000. When it's moving, it's very fast. And I think we should leave it to 500, because like that rapid movement isn't so nice. And then we have its direction from left or right. Then we can style the arrows. From here we have the arrow position inside our slider, we can make it outside. And we have the arrow size and arrow color. Let's add a color for that, for those arrows, or maybe that color. And then we have the image. We can add some borders if we would like for our images. And then we can control the entire section to make it stretch and full width. Now I wanna go adjust something. I wanna make that only 3. Okay, and I wanna reduce that space. Actually, I don't need that one at now. I just wanted to show you guys how it works, this one and the space divider. So let's get rid of that, and I think it looks better that way. And let's go edit our headline in here, and let's make it looks even better like that. I can go, and here's a tip: you can make all these logo colors in black and white or monochrome, and they would look even better for that style of design we're using. And we can go and make it even boxed. I think it's better that way, because it's matching those 3 persons for the testimonials. That's it for this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.